Welcome back to 100 words for 100 days. Today's expression we are going to see that take a rain check. What does this word mean by? Literally, rain check is a ticket given to spectators in a sporting events, enabling them to claim a refund of their entrance money or gain admission on another occasion if the event is cancelled because of rain. The rain check system is mentioned as operating US sports grounds in the late 19th century. The figurative use of the words dates from the early 20th century. But this word now used as an expression. What's that? Let's move on. I'm Ithaya. This is a literary taste. Take a rain check is an informal, especially American English. As usual, I'm gonna show you an example. From there you can find the exact meaning of the verb. I will take a rain check on the party tonight. I have a lot of work to finish right now. I hope you have guessed it. Take a rain check means decline an offer that might be taken up later. Refuse an offer politely. இப்போதைக்கு அந்த அழைப்பு உங்களால் ஏற்றுக்கொள்ள முடியாது, பின்னர் கலந்து கொள்வதாக சொல்கிறது, பொலைட்டாக ரிஜெக்ட் பண்ணுறது. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், he couldn't attend the concert with his friends. He took a rain check instead. Or he said he would take a rain check on visiting us today. I hope you will have understand this word very well right now. Let me know how far do you have understand this word by leaving your own examples in comment section. I will take a look on them. I will meet you with the new words in next video. Till then,